ChatGPT can write essays, code, and answer questions, but how does it actually understand what you're asking? Let's break down the magic behind large language models in just 6 minutes. An LM large language model is basically a super smart pattern finder. It's trained on billions of words from the internet to predict what word comes next. Think of it like autocomplete on steroids. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are all Emmas. They don't truly understand like humans. They're incredibly good at spotting patterns and generating relevant responses based on those patterns. Omans learn through something called transformer technology. Imagine showing someone millions of books, they'd recognize patterns in language naturally. Omans work similarly. They're fed massive datasets and learn statistical relationships between words. When you type a prompt, the model uses these learned patterns to generate the most probable next word, then the next, building your response one word at a time. Because code and essays follow patterns just like language does. The training data includes programming languages, academic papers, and creative writing. The model learned that certain word combinations make sense in specific contexts. It's not thinking, it's pattern matching at an incredible scale. That's why Emmas sometimes make mistakes. They're following statistical probability, not actual understanding. And Emmas can't access real-time information. They sometimes confidently give wrong answers. And they can't truly reason or understand context like humans do. They work brilliantly for summarizing, writing, and brainstorming, but they're tools with real limits. They're amazing pattern machines, but not conscious or truly intelligent. Understanding this helps you use them effectively and responsibly. Got questions about AI? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply.